I have a memory I don't like. It is old now, but I still feel it. I gave a talk at work in English. Many people were there. I wanted to do well. I practiced my first sentence at home many times. I felt ready. Then I opened my mouth and the wrong words came out. My sentence made no sense. Nobody understood me. The room was quiet. Someone smiled at me, just to be kind. My face got hot, very hot. For 3 seconds, I wanted to run away. I finished the talk. I don't remember how. I just remember the feeling. That night, I drove home. I thought about that bad sentence again and again. I felt like I failed. For years, I believed that. I thought it proved my English was bad. Today, I want to tell you why I was wrong. My name is Emma, and this is Train Your English Brain. One day, I talked to another student. She told me a similar story. She also made a mistake in public. Her face also got hot. She also felt terrible. But she said something interesting. She said, "I never made that mistake again, not one time." I thought about my own mistake, and I realized I never made my mistake again either. I didn't study it again. I didn't write it on flashcards. I just remembered it forever. That small, painful moment taught me more than weeks of quiet study. That is when I understood something new. The bad feeling was not separate from learning. The bad feeling was the learning. We talked before in this series about feelings and memory. Strong feelings make memories strong too. Embarrassment is a very strong feeling. It feels bad, but it is powerful. When you feel embarrassed, your brain pays close attention. Your brain thinks, "This is important. Don't make this mistake again." So your brain remembers, clearly, for a long time. That hot feeling in your face is not a sign of failure. It is a sign your brain is learning something big. I wish someone told me this on that drive home. I was not failing English that night. My brain was working hard. It just didn't feel nice. I want to be honest with you. Understanding this did not make the bad feeling go away. My face still got hot that night. I still wanted to disappear. Knowing the reason didn't remove the pain, but it changed what happened next. Before, I thought, I must avoid mistakes like this, so I stayed quiet. I only said safe, easy sentences for a long time. After I understood this, I thought differently. I thought, this uncomfortable moment is exactly where I learned the most. So I started to take small risks again, not because pain feels good, but because I finally understood what that pain was doing for me. Maybe you have a memory like mine, a mistake, a red face, a moment you still don't like to remember. I want you to look at that memory differently today. That moment was not proof that your English failed. That moment was probably one of your best lessons that whole month. The exact mistake you made that day, you will probably never make it again. Not because you studied it later, because that one moment already taught you. I am not asking you to enjoy embarrassment. I am not asking you to look for painful moments on purpose. I am only asking you to stop calling it failure. It almost never is. Next time your face gets hot after a mistake, remember this episode. That heat is not just embarrassment. That heat is your brain, making sure you never forget. My name is Emma. I will see you in the next episode.